Subject Science 1, Standard 9. Lesson number 4, Measurements of Matter. Students, in this lesson today we are going to learn size of atom, mass of atom and valency of atom. Can you recall? Question number 1. From which experiment was it discovered that atoms have an internal structure and when? In 1897, Sir J.J. Thomson studied that the atoms have an internal structure. Okay. So we learn in detail that in last year in 8th standard. Okay. Question number 2. What are the two parts of an atom? What are they made up of? Students, we know that the two main part of that atom is the nucleus and electron. That is most important. Let us see. This is nucleus and these are electron. They are moving around the nucleus. Okay, and on the orbit of that nucleus. Students, you know these are electron. They are negatively charged. Keep in your mind that electrons are negatively charged. And in the nucleus there are present proton and neutron. What present? Proton and neutron. See, protons are positively charged. Protons are positively charged and neutrons are neutral. Okay. So, in middle, in the nucleus, there protons are present. They are positively charged and neutrons also same number. Okay. The same number of that protons also neutron present. They are neutral. Neutrons are neutral. Protons are positively charged. And these electrons are negatively charged. See students, we have learned that the center of an atom is the nucleus and that there are moving electron in the extranuclear part. Just I told you by the diagram. The electron are negatively charged elementary particle while the elementary particles that made up of nucleus are positively charged proton and electrically neutral neutrons. Okay. Let us see about the size of an atom. Okay. The size of an atom means, can you imagine that the atom is very small and how we can count that size? Let us see. Is determined by its radius. The atomic radius of an isolated atom is the distance between the nucleus of an atom and its outermost orbit. Atomic radius is expressed in nanometers. See student, by measuring this nucleus to the orbit distance of this radius, you know this is a circle. This is a circle and we have to measure this distance between this nucleus to this orbit and we can determine the size of that atom. Here is mentioned approximate size of atom and molecule. See, here is shown 1 upon 10 raised to 9 meter is equal to 1 nanometer and 1 meter is equal to 10 raised to 9 nanometer. So how that is calculated? Let us see. See students, we know that measurement 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. Okay. So 1 mm is equal to 1000 micrometers. Then 1 micrometer is equal to 1000 nanometers. Then if we convert 1 meter into the nanometer, then what will become? See, 1 meter is equal to 1 billion nanometer. 1 billion nanometer. Thus, we can state that 1 meter is equal to 10 raised to 9 nanometers. So, we can imagine the hydrogen atom is so small, that is a 10 raised to minus 10 meter. Okay, 10 raised to minus 10 in meters. Then water molecule is 10 raised to minus 9 meter. Then hemoglobin molecule is 10 raised to minus 8 meters. See students, atoms are very tiny. Okay, so by the modern instrument, that is a field ion microscope. From that field ion microscope, the view of the atom is shown here. There are many atoms. Many atoms, these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Uncountable atoms are here. And this is a nucleus and these are orbit you can see. Okay. And this is image of iridium atoms. This is image of iridium atoms.